Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I'm Trevor and this is Posh Cats Camping. We've been at home for 2 weeks and it's time we were out again. Sun is shining. It's the second week in October 2020 and we've had quite a summer, an unusual summer, but we're determined to continue with our camping in a socially distanced way. So Bertie's out on the road. We've just set up and put in most of the things that we need. We think we're away for 5 nights. And Sue's now going to help me put little Ethel on the back. Yeah, so we'll get that done and then we've shown you how that happens before, so we'll just show you when she's connected on and then we'll come back to you. Well, here we are, little Ethel connected to Bertie via the A-frame. All the electrics are connected and the safety wire, and we checked the lights and changed the number plate, put all the pneumatics and switched on everything on so that the car is now a trailer, and there's a sign on the back saying on tow. We've also got a reflective sign on the back there. Sue's just putting things safe inside the van so we're ready to travel, and there we go. So we spent 30 or more years travelling with caravans, and we had a number of different cars, and I think we had 10 different caravans through our caravanning career, starting off in 1984 with a Sprite, a CI Sprite, even had a foot pedal for the water pump, and gas mantles for lamps. Amazing thing. I wish we had it now, but it's a long time since then, and we've come over the years. In 2017 we wanted to have a bit of a change, and we chose our Bolero motorhome. Some of you who have followed the channel will know that already, but we've been motorhoming now for 3 years. This is our 4th season, and in season 2 we decided that we were a little bit restricted with just the motorhome, so we wanted to become a caravaner again, and the only way that we could possibly afford doing that, rather than selling the motorhome, was to buy the little Skoda. And the Skoda Citigo is a 900cc 900 kilogram car, and now we go caravanning with our motorhome. I'm going to point out a few more examples of the similarities between motorhoming and caravanning, because we really are caravanning this week with a motorhome, and I'll explain more as we go along. We are now going to jump in the cab and then we'll get on the road. Well, we've safely arrived at Grafham Water Caravan and Motorhome Club site, and just setting up some of the services now. I'll show you what I'm doing. It's the comparisons with the Caravanner that, you know, so many similarities. Let's have a look. Now, first of all, we had to unhitch, of course, and it's the other way around, isn't it? The car is on the back, the motorhome's on the front. So, and we've had to level. There's a little bit of a drop on this corner, so we've got to level, and we've leveled just one wheel, just like you would with a caravan if you were on a little bit of a slope. The electrics plug in just the same way. I've got the power cable already plugged into the side of the motorhome here, and I'm about to put that in the post, which is literally there, all plugged in. What's happening around here?
Yes. I'm waiting for the electrics.
The electrics are on.
Oh, good. I want to put the kettle on.
Sue wants to put the kettle on. Yeah, Sue's got this little jerry can thing that she's filling up our air pot, and this is our drinking water. We've got into a habit of not drinking from the main tank on the motorhome. It's an individual thing. I don't think there's anything wrong with the water in the main tank, but we just like to have it fresh out of the air pot. Now, caravanners will be familiar with these two items. The aqua roll, 40 litres with handle, and in this green bag is a waste master. And I'm going to tuck the waste master underneath the motorhome right next to the outlet. And underneath there is where the waste outlet is. It's not switched on at the moment, but I'm ready to drain off my grey waste into there just as soon as I want to. So we like to have a little bit of flooring out so that we can put the chairs on it. I've just put that out, pinned it to the ground. There you go, so we can put our little director's chairs out there, and the dogs are more comfortable on the matting rather than the gravel. And over here I've got the aqua roll ready, and a watering can as well if I need it, just for topping up fresh water, just like you do with a caravan. And the next job is to put the silver screen on the front of Bertie. And just like caravanning, you're going to do a little bit of shopping in the car. Here's a few pictures of our walk through the park in St. Neots. Till next time, see you then, bye bye.